Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix volume problem in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you are having any volume problem, so let's see how can you fix it. You just have to open your phone settings. In setting, just go for sounds and vibration, and here you just have to make sure that you have not selected mute mode from here. If you have, just select sound mode from here, and after that just go for volume, and here you can increase or decrease your system volume. Here's the ringtone, media, notification, system, AI assistant, and alarm. You can easily increase and decrease that from here, just like that. So after that, just go back, and here you have to make sure that you are not connected to any Bluetooth. So just scroll down control panel, and here you have to make sure that your Bluetooth is disabled. So after that, just go back, and here you just have to look for do not disturb mode. If enable, just look for do not disturb, and here you have to make sure that you have disabled that settings. And after that, just go back, go for main settings, and here just go for accessibility, then go for hearing enhancement, and here you must have to make sure that you have disabled the setting which is mute all sounds. Just disable that. After doing that, if you're still having the same issue, you just have to go for general management, and here just tap on reset, and then reset all settings. Just tap on reset settings, so it will not delete any data from your phone, but it will reset all of your phone settings. So after that, if you have enabled or disabled any settings, so you can easily solve that just following this step. So it will take a restart your phone, and after that, if you're still having the same issue, you must have to open your dial pad, and here just enter the code with the star hash 0 * hash, and here just look for speaker option. Is that you just have to tap on it to check your speaker sound. If you haven't hear any sound, so it might be any software problem, you must have to open your settings, and here just go for main settings and look for software update. Just tap on it, then tap on download and install. So here you have to check for if your phone have any software update. You can see my phone software is up to date, but if you have any phone, you can easily download and install it from here. And after doing that, if you are still having the same issue, so it might be your phone has any hardware problems, you must have to go for any phone repairs shop. And here you have to clean your phone speaker. It might be any dirt or dust in your speaker. So that's how you can easily fix volume problem in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.